Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English Grammar Effectively. In this video, you will see the conversation between doctor and patient. So don't miss this video. Watch till the end. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Let's get started.
Excuse me.
Yes, please. Take a seat. What is your name?
My name is Somya Shah.
How old are you?
I am 11 years old.
What happened?
I hurt myself.
Let me see. Oh, the wound is deep. You need to take special care of it. I am prescribing you some pills and ointment. Take pills after having meal and apply ointment on the wound. Take rest and come after a week.
Okay, doctor. Thank you. How much shall I pay?
200 rupees.
So friends, hope you learned how to describe your illness. See you soon in my next video. Do watch, like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Stay tuned.